Oh wow, gold it kept falling here.
Yeah, I actually took a sell here from had a sell stop right below here.
Yeah, we can attest to that. He did have one. He did say.
Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at UJ. You just currently moving up. I'm still waiting for GJ to get some support created, but for now I'm not in any trades, so I'm just waiting.
Yeah, GJ looks like it's rejecting this 129,400 area.
Mm-hmm.
Also created a mini resistance around 129,800.
Yeah.
4 hour is bearish. 4 hour seems like if it still keeps moving bearish, it can come down to 129 even.
Yeah, that's what I have here marked.
Yeah, 1 hour, 30 minutes bullish. Yeah, I think if I see a 15-minute bearish candle, I'll look to enter sells on GJ.
Mm.
Like I'm looking at it right
Uh,
now.
yeah, I mean, for safer sales, I'll just wait for this candle to break 129 400.
Yes.
Because on the 15, it's just looking a little messy here. And it's made a lower high, lower low, and another lower high. Maybe next we could see another candle getting formed down here. That would be perfect.
I'm also looking at gold here. If gold breaks below the current 30-minute candle, which is closing bullish, it will continue bearish, like below 1465.80.
Yeah.
Where's my music? Yeah, this 15-minute can't come lower
Mm-hmm.
in GJ. Hey, can you pass me the host? I'm gonna show charts as well, like when people send me charts.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So I'm done hosting, guys. It's been a pleasure.
Right on.
Thanks for hosting.
Thank you, Ollie. Thank you, Mac.
Welcome, guys.
But I think you did a great job.
Ah, thank you, man. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome.
What's this? Resistance created. Prior target. Yeah, that's my target here too on GJ. I'm gonna wait to see what happens if if GJ breaks above 129,800. I'm gonna look for buys to go up to, this area here, 130,400. It's enough range. This is like, how much range is this? Yeah, it's like a 60 pip range. Or I'm gonna start to look for sells below, 129,400. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. But buys above 129,800 for sure. Because if you look left, there's a clean can. This is a clean candle here.
Super safe.
Yeah, it'll be super safe in this area here. Entered as a 30-minute, was breaking the low of the previous 30-minute. GJ 15-minute. Oh, okay, nice. That was a good trade.
I took that same trade.
Yeah, it was nice.
Gold and GJ had the same exact setup. Bullish candle, wait for the break of the low.
$14.66.10 sell stop, or $14.65.
Yeah, that's what I have. 1466.30.
Does anyone else have the wrong time for Forex Factory? Yeah, so you can just change the time. You go over here and then you just change the time. COVID-19, how we handle situation. Oh wow, every country is looking for money. They're all printing money. They will all lower the interest rates.
So just gonna cut the math inflation.
Excuse me?
Just gonna cut the math inflation.
Oh yes.
Conman.
Did you say sell stop at 1465? Yes. That's what I said. But I don't have it there yet. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for a couple of things. On gold, I'm waiting for this low to break. And then on GJ, I'm waiting. I guess I'm going to wait for this 15-minute candle to close bearish. If the 15-minute candle closes bearish, I'm going to attempt a sell with the anticipation that we're going to continue down towards 129 even. That's what I'm going to do because the pound is weak. You know.
Rakeel.
Hey,
Hey there, bud. On your GJ, could you just go through that trade again with regards to the stop loss, where you're looking to put a stop loss?
like above the current 15-minute candle.
Oh, above the current. Okay, yeah, cool.
Perfect. I got in a sell here on GJ. I was almost not gonna call it out because it's aggressive and people, you know, they don't know what they're risking, so they take aggressive trades. But this one, I'm in it. My bias is bearish. This 15-minute is going bearish. It's going to close in 6 minutes. I'm anticipating it to close bearish. If it closes bearish, the next one should continue bearish. Yep, that's the idea. Are you anticipating gold will rise soon? I don't know. Gold has been dropping. Just by looking at it, it seems like it can drop a little bit more, to be honest. Alright, what's this? EuroCAD sells. I think if you can wait for a candle to close bearish, you can take a nice sell. But at this point, I think it's going to get really hard. Because candles are bullish and trying to take a sell at this point, I mean, I don't know.
Roger.
Hey,
I've got on here on my thing. It's coming up. Remaining meeting time 9 minutes 33 seconds.
Oh yeah, that's because I don't have the paid on Zoom.
oh,
Okay.
So we're gonna have to switch soon.
alright. Alright, I just sent it in the chat there. So I'm going to leave over here and go join over there.
So, jetzt ist jeder Moment. Was haben wir noch mal ein bisschen hoch, Tiger?
Why would you sell? I just explained why would I sell. Come on. I just explained my selling idea. That 4 hour is bearish, you know, 4 hours bearish. There's a support right over here on 129, 200, 129, 100. There's a chance it can come there. The 1 hour is bearish. The 30-minute, the previous one, I think this was a retest. This 30-minute candle 15-minute is bearish. It's about to close in 2 minutes. If it continues closing here bearish, I think the next 15 minutes is going to continue going bearish. It's almost going to be up at 10 pips. Once it gets to 10 pips, I'm going to secure positions. Oh. I'm up 10 pips here. Tightening my stop loss and I'm securing positions here.
Good morning.
Very nice.
Good morning.
How we doing?
Great.
Oh, you're claiming pips already.
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Wish there was some nice trades in that session, buddy.
Oh, you're down straight there was. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we did good. It was good. Thank you.
You and your team have got some killers on there, mate.
You want to say, sorry?
You and your team have got some killers, some real snipers.
Yeah, we did well, mate. Yeah, it's enjoyable. Gold was a nice trade this morning. But yeah, nice to see.
Well, there's 15 pips right there on this trade. So
I'm up 20 pips.
nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's also breaking the low of the previous 15-minute candle, which is good. Now at this point, if you choose, you can put your stops at break even, like me. I got my stops at break even, and you can just say, "Oh, I just had a profitable trade today."
Oh.
Oh wow, look at that.
Oh wow. Anyway, I'm gonna close for the day.
Almost too easy, right?
Right. Exactly.
Yeah, easy.
You didn't give a lot of people a chance to copy this.
Well, I gave them ideas. I don't give chances. I give ideas. It's up to them if they have enough confidence in themselves to execute. They execute.
Anyway, good trade, good call.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm gonna hold it a little longer. I think it's just gonna fucking head down.
Yeah, I'm holding a one lot here. I had 8 lots open. I closed 7. So now I have 1 lot running.
I have one lot, but I don't know why. How do I put partials on MP4? Is it right click modify?
Yeah.
But then the screen is completely like, I don't know. It's not letting me change anything.
It's just that you right click, you modify it, and it shows you a dialog box. From there you see volume. Volume is your lot size. You change it, and then you hit close.
Right, but it's... Oh, okay. So I see here volume. I have to change it to market execution. Got it.
Yeah, my internet's really fucked up.
Oh, my runner got stopped out here. It's okay.
Yeah, what a nice job.
Got 11 pips for today.
Got 20 pips.
Beautiful. Oh, when did you enter?
I entered when it retraced it up.
Oh, I should have said something, man.
Yo, it was so quick, man. The price
Man.
was moving.
No,
Bro,
you had
price was moving, and I had to make a decision quick.
no,
so-
you had no confidence. Come on, Vincent. You gotta have confidence, bro. You gotta say it. Hey guys, I just entered.
Come on.
Don't be suspicious, Vincent.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Hey.
Don't be.
Hey, Rakeel, I finally understood what you were talking about with the suspicious.
TikTok jokes.
Be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Man, that thing is addictive.
Yeah, I got it on for one day and I deleted it.
Yeah, I had to delete as well.
Wow. Well, it came down and just rejected it. Interesting.
I'm actually looking at gold to see if it'll break that support. Come down to 59.
Rudder.
Hey.
But how? So I think I managed this trade quite well. So what I did is, as it hit 10 pips, I closed a third of the position off, and then I let the other 60% run. How did you do yours? Did you do it like 20% let it run kind of thing?
Yeah. So I let 10% run.
Ah.
And that 10% hit my stop at break even.
Okay, got it. Okay.
But I do believe that since this 30-minute candle is closing bearish, it should continue going bearish. Yeah, this should be the target over here. Yeah, as long as you stay below 129,600, we're coming down to 129,100. That's like 20 more pips here. Ooh, look at that 15-minute.
Damn.
That liquidity rate.
That was nasty.
Yeah.
So I entered just as it closed below that thing. Below that thing or something like that.
Yeah.
The 15-minute, just as it closed below that. I think that's what you were going through on Saturday, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Marjan's birthday today. Oh, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's also St. Patrick's Day. All the bars and clubs are closed, so you can't go out party.
Yep.
When you move stop to break even, do you just go beyond it to cover commission? No, I just put it at break even. See, I'm the kind of guy, I don't like complexities, you know? So when someone tells me to put your stops enough to cover the spread and commission, to me, that's like doing extra calculations. You know, in my mind, it doesn't really matter to me if I lose a pip. I mean, it's just like, whatever. You know, because that's going to save me time in placing my stop loss. Yeah, see, so these are the steps now price is making. First step is right over here. The resistance it made, 30-minute candle is about to close in 8 minutes. This is second resistance it's creating. If this candle closes below these two candles, then there's a very high chance for the next candle to continue bearish. So if someone's still in this trade with a smaller risk and a conservative, like I think someone sent me a chart with their stop loss up over here. The TP was all the way down over here. The thing with these markets is now my goal on every trade is like 10 to 15 pips, right? There's so much volume that I'm hitting those goals like really quick. Like really, really quick. Hope no one got caught in the GJ bear trap. What's the GJ bear trap? It's still bearish.
Oh, nice. Keep
Still
dropping.
going, damn.
You could say who got caught in the GJ bullish trap. Do you
I'm
use?
still getting, I don't know why, I'm still getting 5 pips of spread. That's crazy.
Yeah. Do you use fibs on your chart? I don't see any fibs on my charts right now. Man, people have this idea that the price should go to a certain fib level to take profit. That's wrong. I think you should know in your mind where you're going to take profits, or you should know exactly how many pips price should go into for you to take profits. Because when I looked at this chart, I knew that okay, like what, price was right over here, and there's a 38 pip range this price can fall into. So from those 38 pips, I knew that I can get easily 10 to 15 pips, and that was all what I was looking for. You don't have to catch the whole move, just catch a portion of that move. Because look at this. Once this candle is moving, there's like billions of dollars moving in every pip. So your job is to just scratch this surface with your tiny little account and come back the next day. That's it. You scratch and go, scratch and go.
Like a lottery scratch.
Yeah, you just yeah, basically that's it. You scratch and go. Like I scratched this morning, I got like what, $550, and then tomorrow I'm gonna come to scratch again, and maybe I'll get the fucking whole candle tomorrow. What's your opinion on Pepperstone? I have no opinion because I've never used them. Are there any discount codes floating for Magic Keys? Discount codes, see, when you want a discount for something, that means you can't afford it. And when you can't afford something, you shouldn't buy it. That's my take on discounts. Oh, we got Natalie and
Rakeel would never do a discount on any of the
I was about to say that.
If anything, he's gonna raise the price of his products.
There are discounts with some of the affiliates, I think. Some affiliates said they have their own coupon codes. You get like 10% off, something like that.
But otherwise, you won't be doing a Black Friday sales on your Magic Key, correct?
Oh no, not at all. Man, if someone pays full, if I pay somebody full price, and a month later I see them dropping like $500 off, I'd be pissed. I'd be like, what?
Sadly, man.
Oh, what's this? Waiting for this candle to close bearish and an entry and sell because clear area. Oh, you're right. There's clear area. All the way till here, first target. down here. LC hot chat, join me live, tap here. Oh.
Don't do it, Raja.
Don't fall in the trap.
Alright. This 30-minute candle is closing bearish below the previous one, and our close bearish. We are near to support. We should retest the 128.90 in the next hour.
Looks like gold is waiting for the news over here for retail sales. Really ranging. Man, I think London was... Wow, if you weren't patient in London session, you got smashed. Oh, Constantine is living in the past. No, man. News in 30 minutes. Oh, Rebecca 18 wants everyone to talk to her. What's this? What's this chart? I did not enter here because being out, but was expecting to move down. Do you re-enter on next candle? Well, yeah, I guess like an entry after this candle would have been nice, or this one here, because then you're targeting down over here. But I guess entry after this candle was perfect. This was your confirmation candle because it closed below all the ones here to the left. So this was your entry candle. Here we go. New York Open is here. 30-minute has closed bearish, rejecting 129,600. 15-minute closed like a doji. So what do? We disregard the dojis, right?
Yeah, means nothing.
This is what we do with dojis, like this. We pretend it's not even there. And we're gonna mute Luke over here. Okay. Raja, where do you sell the basics for Forex? I don't sell basics of Forex. It's all on YouTube. It's on my YouTube channel. You can go to breakouts.com. You can watch the signs and back to basics, and it's all good. So if you see here, this black box there's a doji candle behind that box, right? So the reason there's a box here because that doji candle means price open and close at the same level. So this should continue moving bearish.
Good morning, you guys.
Hey, good morning.
How you doing, guys?
Good. How are you? Holy shit. Hey, Matt, you gotta put a... Either you have to mute yourself or just please turn that sound off.
Yeah, bro, stop over leveraging.
You stop loss.
No, it's that I tried moving my stop loss and I'm trying to put it in below my target and it's not
Come
fucking.
on, Mag. No over leveraging, bro.
Bang.
Again, don't be suspicious. God damn.
What the fuck?
All right, Mac, I'm gonna put you on mute. You keep abusing. I mean, it's just. The gold's heading up to this area. What are they expecting to do? They're expecting bad news.
Gold should currently up.
Yeah. It's a 10. It's a 100 pip range.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. It's crazy.
It's a small range, but it's 100 pips.
Look at this 5 minute. Basically, you can trade gold off 5 minute. Yeah, if gold is breaking up, it should continue on to 1484. So with a 47 pip stop and a 60 pip TP. Do you enter long on gold? No, I'm in no trades. The only trade I took was GJ sell. That's it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that gold. So plus it's gonna be at least 30 pips. It's looking good. I hope we. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this retest.
GJ should continue bearish here. Ooh, gold 5 minute closed with a nasty wick.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking scary.
That's
Yeah.
towards 1475, but it broke below that. So
Yeah, see, so now if this 15 minute closes above this area, then it's good. Then you have strong confirmation it's going to continue moving bullish.
yeah.
Because if the 5 minute didn't close above, then you move to the high time frame, you're like, okay, now I want 15 minute to close for a confirmation. And that'll be the best. Oh, someone took a loss today. Let's take a look. Oh.
You can zoom in on the candles.
Yeah, I think the problem here was that this, if you took an entry after this candle, this actually went down. But once it closed like this, small body, previous one also had small body, so you know, there wasn't much volume there. So you should have been cautious. Don't you think it's dangerous trading gold 25 minutes before the retail news? I think everything is dangerous in life, but I mean, if you see a 15-minute closing above this range, right, and then you can turn around and say, okay, well, I guess gold is rejecting this level at 1466. Then you can say that, okay, well, you know, if the 15 minutes candle is closing above 1474, and they're expecting news to be bad, then you can anticipate news to push gold continue up based on the technical levels here, right? But if gold closed back in this range before the news, then you have a problem trying to trade gold before the news. Blown my third account this week. Well, it's only Tuesday.
What?
It's only Tuesday. What's this? GJ 30 minute. Is this in the past? Yeah, this is in the past. We don't look at things in the past. Doesn't make sense. We look at things in the future. Come on.
Raja,
Hello.
can you go back to the gold, please? Just for a sec. Can I call that retracement in 13 and 15 minutes?
This one?
Looks like retracement. And going sell more. You think so or not?
What, to go down?
Yeah. This looks like, can you kind of calibrate here or no? Just like rejection that zone right now.
Well, this is, gold is coming in a range right now.
Yeah.
Right? So if gold closes above, let's say 1474, then it has a chance to continue going bullish.
Alright.
If gold closes below 1466, then it has a chance to going bearish.
Yeah, I understand. Because I was thinking this is calling the range, I mean the retrace, and then it's going to go down. Thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, so gold is like ranging over here. Draw my little yellow lines over here. There you go. Gold is ranging. So you will have a clean trade on gold either in this area or in this area. Because when you look left, you have clean traffic going down and you have clean traffic, which is this candle right here, going up. So these are the areas where you're going to have a much better trade on gold.
Alright.
Holy shit, man. People on unmute, yawning on the mics, and next person to do this, I forgot the word, but I'm just gonna kick you.
Thank you, manager.
Yeah, bro. Thank you. Yeah, you know, like in these situations, it's really important to wait.
It's got lovely clean candles up and down, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I think for gold, it's a bit of a retail news.
Okay, what's this? Waiting for bullish buys. Yeah, this makes sense. You would need good news to push this up. Ooh, 5 minutes is breaking up over here. So crazy because we got retail sales. And when gold is ranging like this before the news, there's always a big move coming. I mean, every 5 minute candle moving on gold is big. I mean, if you look at it pips wise, but news is extra. Do you trade AUD, USD, AUD, JPY? If so, what's your analysis? No, I don't trade them. You shouldn't be even looking at AUD JPY in the New York session. It doesn't make any sense because AUD is closed at this time and JPY is closed at this time. So why would you logically want to trade a currency whose banks are closed at this time?
Just ranging.
Yeah, but still, I mean, it doesn't make any sense. You're choosing an instrument which is closed. That's like trying to trade gold between 5 p.m. Eastern and 6 p.m. Eastern when it's closed. Come on, man. You guys gotta get with the program. TP down at this zone. Yeah, this makes sense. Are you planning pending orders on gold? Yes. Yes. So I have to wait and see how this candle comes to a close, and then I'm gonna plan something. What's the difference between GJ and GU?
If you don't know that, I don't know if you're trading.
Yeah. This is a big boy stream. On big boy streams, you don't answer little boy questions. Would you go for a buy if this candle closes bullish? See, this is a big boy question. Yes. Because it's a support, candle is closing bullish, stop will be below this candle. That would make sense. Gold is still bear till 1450. Do you agree? Gold is bearish till 1450 if it breaks below 1466. That's when gold is bearish. You can't just say gold is bearish till 1450 when candles are going bullish. No. If gold breaks below 1466, then you know, okay, there's a confirmation, and then there's a higher probability that gold is going to come down. Because if I ask...
My bad, you have me muted?
Man, why do you always cut people off? Holy shit, man.
Why did you mute me?
Because over trading.
Huh?
Because you were cursing too much around it.
Yeah, you were cursing.
Oh,
You were saying F this, and your MetaTrader was having an epileptic attack, going boom, boom, bing, bing. I was like, holy shit, man.
Yeah.
What's going on?
You know when you try to move the line into like SL and profit and it doesn't let you because of the spread.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Yeah, they do.
This chart here. See, I think if you zoom in a little bit, and if you bring your buy stop to a little bit lower above this area, then that'll be pretty good, because, you know, this is still a pretty big range. I mean, if you look from here, 1473 till 1484, this is a 100 pip range. So you could still get some decent pips out of this, because once price comes into this area here, this is where you might have some issues, because, you know, price goes up, it looks left, you're like, okay, clean traffic goes up, clean traffic goes up, clean traffic goes up. When it looks left over here, they're like, uh-oh, looks like my buddies had some issues over here. So there's a high chance price might start wicking here and then start coming down. What's this? Gold buys above here, gold sells below here. Perfect. Man, if this was 15-minute time frame, this market structure, I would say 15 minutes is about to blast off. It's candle closed bullish at resistance, closed bearish, closed bullish here. If this 5 minute breaks the high of the previous one, then there's a very high chance we're going to continue up to fill this wick. And this wick is no joke, man. This wick is no joke. This wick is 30.
Yeah, we're talking about 40 pips.
Yeah.
Well, a 5 minute candle as well.
There you go.
Oh wow, there you go. It's moving.
Kerwin, are you in?
Yeah, man, but I'm closing 50%. I'm gonna let the other run a break even. My entry was before this move 1473.10. Yeah.
I was about to get in, but I was like, yeah, I made 3 good trades earlier. Just trying to.
Oh yeah, I saw that, man. Beautiful, man.
Yeah, Tin, you gotta stay disciplined, man. Come on. I can
should get on TikTok now.
Otherwise, you're gonna get muted like Macedonian.
God damn, my cat poops so much.
Come on. No wonder why you got muted, man.
Yeah, I muted him again. This is the last chance.
Again.
After that, he's gonna get kicked because, man.
The ice is getting thinner.
Yeah.
Oh, still going.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go.
Man, are you in?
Me? No. I'm in nothing.
No, Tim.
Oh.
No, I'm not in nothing.
Wow, look at that.
God damn, you guys missed.
Oh, Kerwin, we were right.
Awesome.
Yeah, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Roger, is it possible to just break the last trade down a little bit, please?
What?
Could you just break this last trade down? Because it was on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
And this is like completely new to me.
Yeah, so
gonna continue moving.
So basically, once this 5 minute broke the high of the previous one, then there was a higher chance it's gonna come up and fill this wick.
I got it. Just the thing is that I'm not even used to looking at 5 minute at the moment.
Oh. Yeah, the thing with this is, I mean, there's so much volume and so much volatility here. So 5 minute market structure also makes sense.
Oh, damn.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a beautiful trade, right?
That trade call was fantastic.
Yeah, sir. I wish I had my entire position in, but I closed it.
Holy shit. Still going.
What?
Yeah. Gonna close another 25%.
Nice. Good job.
Suspicious.
Awesome, Kerwin.
Thank you, man.
See, wicks don't lie.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Discipline traffic to the left is a blessing. This candle, we're mirroring the previous 1500 candle.
Yeah.
It's a 30 minute and a 15 minute.
It's a bless.
It's a blessing, bro.
What news came out? No news. It's just gold.
Yeah, it's cool.
Gold decides to move 50 pips. Gold moves 50 pips.
Yeah, gold decide to bless some people and
gold doesn't need any permission.
Kerwin, the risk to reward was really good on this one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man, big time. Yeah, basically my stop loss. The thing is with gold, these times, I'm trading gold based on the 5 minutes and the 1 minute. So your entries must be sniper entries. So my stop loss was less than 20 pips.
Yeah, it was like around 16, 17.
Not like I said for news, right?
I hope it doesn't retrace prior news. It just continue moving.
See, now it's reaching this consolidation area.
Exactly. I just hope we don't stop there. We just continue moving.
Yeah.
I think I'll clean traffic to 1484, then maybe it might retrace.
because based on the 1 hour that I have, my real resistance it's 1519.30. So, man, if you get there, sheesh, it's a lot of pips.
That's a lot of peeps, homie.
Yeah, man.
A lot of peepas. Bro, I don't know what the heck this cat eats.
Anyways, what's a nice call, Raja? Thank you so much, buddy.
Yeah, we're just gonna go have some fireballs.
Oh man, that's crazy.
Eyeballs. Thing is, you have such a hangover.
I'm kind of sad you guys are not coming next week.
Oh, you're sad?
Yeah, man. I miss you guys. Come on.
Uh-huh. You miss me?
Yeah, a lot.
Can I stay over your house?
Puta.
Sucia.
Yeah. You can come over.
Wow.
Yeah, Curran, if it wasn't for all this stuff, man, we'd be over there for sure.
Yeah, man. No, I know.
I know.
It's better to be safe than sorry, man.
Man, I don't know why you guys are even so scared. It's
I don't what, bro.
Well, man, I'm 42, so I'm in the middle range, you know.
You're almost there, man.
I'm almost there. No. You know, I'm joking, but yeah, man, it's pretty scary though. Pretty scary.
Yeah,
Just for smokers. Smokers are more likely, man.
No, don't tell me that.
Cohen, you got 1 foot in the grave.
Yeah.
Everyone is like 60 something.
Raja, are you looking to sell at 1483? No. This was the buys and this was the trade right here. That's it.
Yeah, that was the move. If you miss it,
Yeah, you missed it. How much is 10 cent lot size in dollars? Well, depends on the pips. My knowledge has grown as a rocket. Oh, very nice. You guys are the real housewives of trading. I don't know about that.
What are we expecting for retail?
Ooh.
Bad numbers.
Bad numbers. 0.2. Last time I had 0.2 was 0.5. So bad for the dollar.
Yes, the gold should go up again.
Yep, GJ is still arranging here.
Yeah, DJ stopped me out.
Canada announced yesterday that if you're not a citizen of Canada, you can't come in. But the borders are still open from Canada to the US.
So we could go in car? We could drive up there?
No, man, I just said if Canada said if you're not in Canada, you can't cross the border.
Jeez.
so in order to cross the border, you must be a citizen of Canada.
Yeah, like you need to be.
Resident doesn't Canada if you're a resident.
Oh, resident as well, yeah. But if you're a foreign national, I think if you're American, you can still come in because Canada and America is are locked, right? Like they're locked together.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh wow, Kervin, this thing is still going.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I hope it doesn't pull back prior news in 4 minutes. I just want to see this nasty move to the upside toward the 1500s. Because if you take a look at the 1 hour, Can you
Oh,
fill up the 1 hour? Man, you know this
Right here?
yeah, exactly 15
Yeah.
here. That's gonna be a nice move if we get there.
Well, we're gonna find out in 2 minutes.
Yeah, man. You still holding, buddy? Or
No,
you in the trick?
no, I'm in no trades.
Oh,
I didn't.
shit. Oh,
Yeah, I didn't take this trade.
wow.
I was the hype man. I was hyping you up. Come on, come on.
All right, come on.
Yo, tell me someone caught that. I'll just come back.
Oh,
Did you get that?
Yeah, man.
Kervin
Nice
got it.
work, man. Nice
no one
work.
got it, and I was picking my cat's poop.
Good work, Owen. Nice work, man.
Thank you, bro.
But I called a nice trade on GJ during your time, and I didn't see anything.
We got retail sales coming in 2 minutes. Oh, someone's got a question. This candle closed below previous, but it has no wick, so no entry. Enter doji, wait for... Yeah, I mean, the way they're forming, it just seems like it could continue moving down. The way they're forming. So you just gotta know where your stop is gonna be. I think your stop is gonna be up over here, and then put your hands in, you know, in hands of the Forex gods. Too late to enter gold, of course.
Yeah, man.
This big candle, this was the trade when we were talking about it. This
You
was
getting
the trade.
down there?
Oh yeah, we called it right over here.
Oh, nice, man. Well played.
Yeah.
I thought maybe you were looking at this next bit where you just push like the second push. That's awesome, man.
Is that what you think we are, Monty? Come on.
Nah, bro, I was away. I was downstairs. You know, I've already got my 100 pips today. I don't know about you lot.
100 pips.
Well, near enough. It's about 80 in there. Basically, we got the same move down this morning for sell stops.
Oh, yeah, right here, this one.
Yeah, basically the whole lot. I closed. I did what you did, you know. It's like, I made 10 pips in my head. I'm like, oh, that's enough. And it jumped real quick. And I closed at about 60 something. And then it was.
All right, cool. Keep going.
Oh, wow, okay. Let's see what's going to happen now.
Yeah, that's a great trade, man.
I closed 75% on the trade because I don't know if it's gonna pull back.
It says 1 minute.
All right.
Do you have any buy stop, Raja?
Nothing.
Oh, nothing.
Yeah, I'm done for the day.
All right.
Yeah, my last one was that GJ sells.
Nothing.
Another fart in the water. Stay retail sales.
What are the numbers?
Yeah,
I think they were already
bad
priced
numbers.
Very bad.
Yeah, bad numbers. So should continue moving on ball.
Oh, wow. Garbage numbers.
Yeah, man.
Holy. Negative.
Let's go. Come on.
Yeah,
Come on.
this is gonna go to like 1500 for sure.
Yeah.
Once
I
it
want to see 1500 hit.
once it crosses this area here, it's heading straight up.
That's promised land. That's good.
I've understood correctly in saying that 5 minute is normally unreliable except during high liquidity periods such as pre-NY. Yes, but you need a lot of experience and you need a very, very good understanding of market structure to trade 5 minute. If you don't have either, then you're going to have a very bad time.
Especially with the current condition of gold. It's pretty.
Yeah. Man, imagine people who have corona and they're just hiding. They're not telling anyone. Say, oh, if I told somebody, oh, what's gonna happen?
I know someone's got it.
Oh.
Yeah. They ain't telling no one, though.
Oh.
Dangerous. Dangerous.
Suspicious.
It is. Man's live on the stream, too.
Oh, what's this chart? Wait for resistance to be formed. Can only enter if I find resistance forming. See, this is I mean, I would say it's not bad, but it's basically saying, so when you see a big move like this, you need to start looking at, now don't start to look at it's approaching a resistance, so I'm going to look for sells. Start to look at it in a way that, okay, how could I have taken this buy? That's going to help your psychology a lot. Because if you try to look for sells, this is going to be very risky sells because gold had a huge move up and there's bad news, you know. So I always look to see, so whenever I miss big moves, I always look to see how could I have gotten in that big move. And then I wait for that the next day and the day after and the day after. That's going to help you with your psychology a lot.
And the day after, the day after.
As your account grows to 5 to 6 to 7 figures, my account is way below 7 figures.
Yeah, same as that. I ain't quite at that level. I use different percentages to how I feel, to be honest.
Yeah.
If I'm confident on a trade, then I'll probably use, I don't know, maybe one and a half.
Nice. Do you see GJ 134? Bro, what? No, I don't see GJ going to 134 anytime soon. It's just bearish. So I would go to 134.
Mac, you need to put your speakers up so you don't cut people off, man. It's really rude.
I didn't hear anyone talking.
Hello?
That's why you need your speakers up.
Well, then you could hear your echo.
Alright.
Talk.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
Who are you?
Good. One tick. Did you get the move on GJ this morning or gold? Oh, I'm sorry, my bad.
Sorry, I'm eating. What did you say? Sorry, dude.
So you got this move on gold this morning, or
yeah? Buy stops, sell stops at 80, between 81 and 82.
Oh.
We just wait for it to break out. If you're watching it on the 1 hour, you can see it was doing nothing. Once it broke out one way, it's going to fly. So we just wait for that, and then boom, happened. I don't know, 3 minutes, job done. Probably not even that long, to be fair. But we discussed GJ sales as well, but I'd already done gold at the time.
Chris was practicing to be a commando. He got some sniper entry.
Yeah, that's the way. Yeah, that's the way it should be, man.
It worked good. Did work good. Just got to pay attention. Just look what's happening, you know. Patient.
Oh, what's this? Imagine you see price in a bullish trend and makes candle with long wick. How do you determine if price will continue up, or is that wick a rejection? I think that's a very subjective question. We can't answer a question like that, because then there are a lot of different scenarios. What if the candle was big? What if the wick was small? What if this? What if that? So you go into this little circle of, like, you know, what ifs. So we try to stay away from it. What you need to do is you need to show a chart and then explain it on a chart.
Rakeel, can you go on GJ,
Yep.
please? Let's see what we can look at.
It's
on the
ranging.
1 hour. On the 1 hour. That's fine. Just don't go on the 1 hour. Okay, perfect. So basically, somebody said that if we see GJ going to 134, which is like very unlikely for now. My next, basically your next target is 129 even, right? Here.
Yep.
But this is a strong area of support, as you can see since the beginning of the week. So most likely, what I'm be looking for will be buys, since we're scalping, and basically get a retest around here for a lower high, and then next will be a continuation down, and maybe we could get a clean break this price, which is 129.600. Continuation will be down to, I believe it's 127, which is my next target. But for now, I don't see it. I don't see GJ going up anytime soon with all the hysteria going on about the coronavirus and the UK, and even the Queen fled the Buckingham Palace. She's like, I'm out.
Yeah, she just dipped.
She dipped. She took pips and dipped.
Okay, what's this here? Oh, looking for further buys about 1488.50.
Yeah, that's a nice play too.
Look at gold. Wow.
This is a nice play on gold too. This area right here. Once price break above this area, then you can take straight from here. It's gonna be an easy move.
Yeah.
Man, someone's got that noise in the background. Wow, with this news being super bad, it was worse than expected. I think this is going to continue moving by NYC Open or even like, around like 10 a.m. Eastern.
Yeah. It'll be a nice clean breakup of this quick.
Yep.
We just set up a buy stop.
1455. Oh, 1455 is far, far away. So GJ is still ranging. Gold had a bullish move up. Man, this was a very nice call here from down here. What was this? Wow, 130 pips. See, now you start to look at why gold is consolidating, right? Because now when you look left, gold approached an area where price consolidated before. So that's why gold is consolidating in this area. I think if gold starts to create a support down around like 1480, 1481 and 82 area, there's going to be a high chance for gold to continue moving bullish. And if we break above 1488, we're continuing up to 1500.
And if gold creates resistance here, then you come down, right?
Yeah. Yeah, but then the stop is going to be way too big here.
Yeah.
Someone asked, so Raja, because of this impulse move that just occurred on gold, the fast that it's at resistance, or the fact that it's at resistance, when we look left, get taken out of consideration? I don't think I understand that. Yeah, I don't think I understand that. Like, I don't know if you're trying to look for sells with that question. I don't know. It's just very confusing. On which time frame do you usually determine if the pair is in a downtrend or an uptrend? Well, it depends where price is currently, right? Like if you look on the daily, in the daily, we are in a very, very heavy downtrend, right? But when we looked at this time frame here down on the 15-minute and the 5-minute, we saw the price is breaking up, and then you say, okay, like, you know what? Even though the trend is down, but the bias is bullish, and we had this move up. Looking for sells based off resistance here. I mean, I don't know. If this candle closes bearish, your stop is going to be up over here, 1488. So, like, you know, I wouldn't recommend taking this sell because there's going to be a huge stop loss. I mean, if you can take sells, then for sure your stop is going to be way too big, right up there. Even if you look on the 15-minute, if you want to be very aggressive, then your stop is going to be above the current 15-minute candle if you're being aggressive.
And that's what we're ready for.
Okay, and as a follow-up, it's not the Canadian way as you mentioned, but are you prepared in case people do panic or, heaven forbid, there's looting?
Well, again, I have confidence in our police, and I just pray to God that that wouldn't happen.
Oh, Ontario announced state of emergency. Oh. Yeah, everything is closed here now. Gyms are all closed. Really annoying.
Yeah, my local gym closed.
All public libraries, all private schools, all childcare centers, everything. What about workplaces, man? Workplaces are even more nasty than gyms.
Yeah, all small businesses are taking a big toll.
Especially when you've got aircon.
Like restaurants and things like that where people dine in. I'm good because I only do deliveries, but
It's more the heroes that come in regardless of like how ill they are.
and all Chinese restaurants are closed.
I'm in it worse because I'm in healthcare, so we don't. Yeah.
So what are they gonna do? Like pay you?
I work as a like freelance.
As a freelancer, okay.
Yeah, so basically I'll trade in the morning, and then if they need me, they'll call me, and I just go to work that day.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, yesterday was my last day in the office for a while because I was in there at 7 a.m. and there's probably about 10 people in the whole building, and I could hear like 4 people coughing at like 8 o'clock, and they've been coughing for about 30 minutes straight.
Yeah, looks like I'll have to go buy some dumbbells and work out in my garage today.
That gold trade yesterday. You can build a new house, no? For like that dude, have your own gym, right?
Have my own gym. Open it up.
Damn right.
Have you tried those kettlebells, Roger?
Yeah.
Or those Indian dumbbells? You know those ones?
Yeah, but I never really got into them.
It's quite good. I use them. I use the kettlebells. I don't really use anything else. Because it's quite dynamic, you know.
Yeah, I guess I'll have to look up some exercises for those. UJ 30-minute consolidation. Wait for candle to close and go up. Perfect.
Well, at least I got 2 dumbbells in my house, and those tension bands. If I could work something out. You have anything at your house, Rakeel?
No.
Bowflex?
No.
Get buckets of water.
It's just got bags of cash to pick up.
Oh yeah, with the big rocks.
Oh, it's in a safe, so that's pretty heavy.
That's a big job.
Yeah.
Not all those millions in the safe. Oh, a good Sean Lee in there.
That's it.
It's like what, 75 pounds?
5 kilos.
5 kilos. 5 stones, mate. Oh, this is a pretty boring morning.
Wow, gold is rejecting that level. They also rejected here on this yesterday. Very, very hard. So if we reject this area, there's a higher chance we're going to continue up to 1500s.
That's gonna be the swing for the week.
Yeah.
Potentially. That's what I was looking at.
Yeah, because weekly, if weekly is rejecting down here at 1454, this is a very strong area here.
Yeah, because it's support, right? Yeah. Yeah, I've got it marked just the same.
Yeah, but also we got this rocky area around here.
Man, that fall from yesterday, it really caught me off guard. Just kept falling.
Brother, yesterday was a craziness, man.
Yeah. 50 pips, 40 pips, 100 pips more. We're like, holy.
Keep on coming, keep on coming.
Yeah, just stop.
5 minute candles like 100 pips.
Yeah, man.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I had a buy stuff. I got triggered. I got 100 pips. And literally like 5 minutes.
Yeah, basically the entire country is going into a lockdown for 2 weeks.
Or Canada?
Yeah.
Oh, for real? I didn't see that today. I wasn't looking.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
You're gonna stay inside the house?
Well, all gyms are closed for another 2 weeks in order to combat the virus.
I'm staying in. Everyone's at home. We're staying in the house.
So most likely our restaurants are gonna be closed too.
Yeah.
Have you not heard now how they're already talking about they've begun trials for vaccination at least 6 months?
They're just liars, man.
It's and now they've put 700 billion into the US stock markets a couple of days ago, and that basically was like nothing. And now Trump has requested another 850 billion stimulus package.
I don't think it's just for the stock market. It's just an easing program.
It's for the economy, but obviously it goes into the stock markets first because they have to push it through pension funds and cutting payroll tax and stuff like that and giving tax breaks to businesses. So basically, it's for the stock market.
I'm trying to see something up for my business because I've taken a couple of not losses but cancellations. See if I could qualify for something. I mean, small businesses are just they're leading right now.
We're creating a liquidity zone here in gold to continue bullish.
I was just looking at exactly that. We're a bit late. But it breaks above it, keep going, no?
Yep.
Yeah. Is it 36 pips? Yeah, problem is the stop loss must be 30 pips also.
Thing is, I thought that the other day when it dropped all that way, and there's a stop loss of like 40, I think it was like 45 pips, and on 5 minutes, and I was like, that's too much, man. But if I should have just gone with my feeling of what I was thinking, because it then ran another like 80. So I was like, yeah, you know, you've been profit real quick, so you've been at break even, right? So.
Yeah, man, that's the thing. Before I take any trade, the first thing I do is to measure my stop loss. If stop loss is more than 30 pips, no, forget it.
Yeah, I'm not. There's a couple today which I considered, but it's just they were just too big. Even looking at 15, 5 minute, it's just too much. I was like, it's not. I'm not. It's not for me. It's not worth the risk. I don't think. But
because I mean, you can use 30 pips stop loss on gold if you're aiming for at least 100 pips move. But if you're gonna for just 20 pips, it's not worth it.
It's not worth it now. The only thing I look at is trying to open it into profit, like try and time it. So if I do open it into profit, then I can just put it break even real quick, even if my stop would have been say 20, 30 pips. Just try and get it so I can just open straight into profit on a lower time frame. Like now, you'd expect that wick to get filled, right? Once it gets up. But
yeah.
You don't know. And now it's dangerous because it could just jump right back.
You know, we need Forex Rob to do some market moves right now. Oh, look who it is! It's Forex Rob. Hey, Robert. Signal.
Roger, do you take this trade right now based on the 5 minutes?
What, do you take it now?
Nah.
Me? No.
No.
Yeah, based on 5 minutes. Raja Rakeel.
He's going to celebrate with some honey.
Why would you want to take shorts on gold right now? Like it's I don't get it. No, I had ice cream for breakfast today. It reminded me of rakeel. All the money printing is just not helping at all. It's just making more opportunities for inflation. Pheasant.
Robertico's on the YouTube, Mac.
What?
Robertico? Rob?
Yeah, Rob is on the YouTube.
Hmm.
I'm talking to him. He is fascinating. This stream prints more money than the government. Alright. Managed to break even today. Have fun trading, sirs. Boy. Session boy. Perfect. Oh, charts. Check it out. Guru Praveen. You should take the name Guru off your name, Praveen. Right now, gold is bullish and it's going to continue to go up. So I don't know why people are looking for shorts. Oh my god, what's up with these freaking bots? Rocks and protection. Wow, nice.
Yeah, let's go gold. Come on.
Nice. Oof, nice. It's just gonna pop up.
Okay, Rakeel, have a good one. Hey, guys.
Bye.
Okay, Tim. Take care, buddy.
Take care.
You still holding that buy, Kerwin?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
And you know, at this point, it's not but for the money because I already closed 75% of my position, but it's just for fun. I just want to see the 1500 got hit today.
Not that far. So right now, like whoever's looking for gold buys, if you see the wick next to it on the 5 minute. Now, if we break that wick, which we're doing right now, it's gonna be a nice chance for it to keep going up, like everyone said, probably hitting 1500s today.
Yeah.
So whoever's holding, hold.
There you have it. There you have it.
Go it broke. Now hold.
20 pips. We may get 1490s now.
24 pips, 25 pips.
It's a lot of pips.
It's a beautiful trade.
And I closed. Chilling.
Nice.
I'm back.
So we call that trade right now.
When you close your positions, right?
Huh?
No, now he's back when he already closed his positions.
Oh yeah, rakeel.
Yeah, because he took the buys based on the minute candle once the bullish.
Are you deleting these messages by hand, rakeel?
No.
Bot?
No.
Tell me more about your entry, Raja.
Yeah, well, that's why he was quiet.
Yeah, this was not a sell.
No. Definitely not.
Can we re-enter buy at 1481? Yeah, I think you can re-enter now and then hold for, you can have a 20 pips. Oh well, now it's gone. Aim for like 1490.
So it's basically like a surfboard. You ride the wave, you get in, and then get out.
Yeah, I agree.
That's why we're the best scalpers in the world. All right. What's DJ doing? GJ's still ranging.
Yeah, GJ's ranging. GJ's been ranging all day.
Mm-hmm. Oh, fucker. Forex Rob got 200 pips on EU. Wow.
Testing 1, 2.
Testing, working.
Testing 1, 2. Yeah.
You need glasses, bro.
Huh?
I think you need glasses. Your eyes are straining.
Yeah, I gotta put on my glasses. Can't find them.
He's an eye doctor. Yes, sir.
Oh, for real?
Dude's straining, man.
Oh, really? You're an eye doctor?
Yeah.
You're an optometrist?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Thank you. How much is that? How much are you?
Free glasses for the Forex family member.
I used to have my
free exams.
The moment he said you need glasses, I'm like, oh shit.
Oh, very nice. Secured 40 pips on gold. Yeah, it's going to continue. I mean, the trajectory is bullish.
But these spots are saying like something relevant to trading. I don't get it.
Nah, it's chilling. Basically, it gets all sorted out through PayPal. So, what's his name? I forgot his fucking name. Gabriel. He said basically, as long as I put my PayPal details in, it gets automatically done at the end of each week or every other week or something. So, I ain't seen it yet. I ain't worried yet. But apparently, it's all PayPal, mate. It's just type it in your profile and it does it all for you.
I expect GJ and GU to push up starting within the next 15 minutes with the S&P.
What? The S&P?
Yeah, that would make sense if you're expecting the support to hold at around 129.200.
Futures, bro.
Wow, looks like someone's having a war over there in the background.
Indeed.
It's not me. I always mute between.
Perhaps it's fighting the corona.
It's Corona time.
Perhaps it's fighting the corona. We never know.
Oh, since I'm going to Miami, my wife, she's getting 2 weeks off from work. Paid. Whoa, that's crazy.
Sometimes we have a benefit from corona.
Yeah. She's like, oh, it's awesome. It's like a vacation. It's like, oh, let's go to Miami together.
2 weeks, and after that, 2 more gratis. So for
yeah.
All
That's awesome.
This is nice. This is very nice. You were safe. You were reading the candles. And you were thinking about price from a very logical perspective. And it made sense.
Yeah, especially on gold. Like it's really hard to come with a safe buy or sell trade.
Yeah, I just took one trade today. It was GJ sells. What sort of confirmation is required here to enter a short trade towards the daily support? If you can kindly assume a scenario. This is my first chart. I'm not sure it's a valid question. I think it's a valid question. You'll need to see a candle breaking the support, and that would be your confirmation. But unless that does not happen, I mean, you would want to see a candle doing something like this. So you have a candle, you would want a candle like, kind of like break below, and then you'll say, okay, you know what, we have a break below, then all these candles here to the left, so this means there's a higher chance for the next candle to continue bearish. So this is when you start anticipating moves, but you need a break below. Unless there's no break below the support, there's no sells, because the support is still held.
But you get set up a sell stop in case you're not on the charts.
All right, guys, I'm gonna close gold. This is nice, 110 pips.
110?
Yeah. I mean, I was closing partials on the way he started.
I was gonna say, is that all? That's not very good, man. Yo, that's wicked going, man.
Exactly, 110 pips.
Awesome, mate.
Yeah, 110.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Awesome, Kervin.
Awesome, Kerwin.
Oh, thank you.
Very nicely done.
Shukriya. Huh?
Awesome, Kerwin.
You're on repeat now?
No, I get the last day. If Rakeel says something, I'll say something after. Awesome, Kerwin. Just in case.
Oh,
Why are you closing out? Why are you closing out? Don't like the 5 minute or?
Why I'm closing?
Tired.
No, because I'm gonna head out. I don't want to be paying attention to the phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to enjoy the day with the kids. So yeah.
Yeah, for real.
Oh, enjoying the. Oh, that's right. They're not going to school.
Yeah, man. I have my 8 kids here at home.
I thought it was 12. What happened to the other boy? Oh, they got Corona.
Corona time.
It's Corona time.
Schools are closed.
All Miami-Dade schools are closed.
Yeah.
Wow. I love money on Forex. Gives me free time with family and friends. Okay.
Raja.
Hey.
Your store is closing due to coronavirus or not?
No, the malls are still open.
Oh yeah. Also, the store that you guys have is inside the mall.
Yes.
Heights? Yeah, Heights inside the mall.
Yeah, I think they cut down the hours.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's what they're doing here, to be honest, with a lot of stuff.
The UK, it's.
Oh, UK just doing what they want. We're doing it different to everyone else because we're special. So they're just deciding as they go. Yeah, exactly. Just like, you know what we advise is this, but just do what you want.
Did you guys see what the Boris Johnson tweet?
Did you see what?
Did you see what the Prime Minister tweeted?
No, please read it.
He said, all right, it's time to say goodbye to your lovely family because coronavirus is going to kill.
Oh, he didn't tweet that. He said it in a speech.
Boris?
Oh, what, did he?
That's quite reassuring.
This is ridiculous.
Boris said that.
Yeah, Boris said that.
It's Corona time?
So, Chris, is that English humor?
I don't know. I don't really pay attention to what he says, to be fair. I just look after myself.
The problem was, when he was foreign minister, he could say funny things and nobody really cared. Now he's got the top job. He's still saying the same stuff, and it's caused panic. So he's always done that. Even when he was a mayor of London and all this business, he was like, had a comedy streak to him. But nobody really took him seriously. And now he's got the top job. He's still the comedian, and he's like, he's set a panic in him. You know?
Yeah, and more than panic people, it was just so stupid.
He said something like, "Oh, I've got to level with the British people. You know, you're going to lose some loved ones." I'm like,
Yeah, he's savage.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, basically you're going to die. So.
Basically, yeah. Say bye now.
Looks like he has connection with heaven.
And the queen fled. She's like, I'm out of the palace. I mean, she's 93, right? And
Queen?
Yeah, she's old, man.
And Philip is 98. I don't know how to stand.
People said the queen is not going out because the coronavirus is gonna be the first person who's gonna die.
She's like, I'm out of Buckingham.
Oh God.
Oh, there's a funny picture of the queen in the car leaving the palace. She's got like glasses on. She looks like she committed a robbery or something. Is that Boris at a grocery store with a toilet paper?
Supporting my husband. Most important thing being a mother and a wife.
I think that's at a lab. I can't remember.
Yeah, it looks like a lab. Oh my God, play that video, rakeel. That's what I like about Boris. He really gets into it.
Oh, Boris is having a baby soon.
What?
Oh, yeah, he gets into everything, man. Believe.
He's like 60 something.
It's like his 19th child or something.
Yeah, I think he's got 6.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah,
I mean, he was definitely exaggerating when he said 19.
Yeah. Well, just trying to keep up with Kerwin.
Oh, so 19 kids. That's crazy.
Wicks don't lie. Should I hold gold buy or not be greedy? Man, if you don't even know why you entered a gold buy, then why even... I don't even know. Downtrend. Retest of support. Move down to fill the wick. Yeah, I mean, if this 30-minute candle can close bearish, then you have a very good chance, Logan, for it to continue moving bearish.
Yeah, I was watching that. It's dropped hard today.
Yeah, GJ as well is now showing tendencies of going bearish.
Mm-hmm. Some of the euro pairs for sure.
Waiting for this 5 minutes to close. Let's see what it will look like.
I think gold's getting ready to make a few more moves, you know.
Yeah, with equities open.
Yeah, it's
I
kind
think it's about time they all blast off. Gold, GJ, GU, upward bound.
Upward down. That's a good analysis.
Upward bound.
Oh. So we're going up.
Yeah, I'd watch gold.
On Tuesday.
Arriba y arriba.
Arriba. Órale.
Por qui seré.
Oh.
What do you think?
Bamba. That's the one.
Oh,
Bamba.
Yeah, GJ's in a very important spot. It couldn't break above 129,600. It's approaching this big support. candles are bearish. Would be interesting to see how the equities open.
So Roger, sorry for the Spanish. It just means higher and higher.
Oh. Yeah, I think you'll need to see a candle going bullish here to go higher and higher.
Yes, we need some signs.
I need some more Spanish.
What's this chart? If this candle closes bearish, very high chance for the next candle to go bearish. Ragulan, come on, man, mute yourself. Yeah, it makes sense because the candles are closing bearish, so a bearish move would make sense in that scenario.
Gold's about to go.
2 minutes. 9:30 push.
It's going, man.
Gold's about to go over here too.
Yeah, another 20 pips coming.
Yeah.
Oh, gold jumped the gun already.
I just took a quick one on the open of that fit about 15 minutes when it flipped.
Yeah, see if it's closing above all these here to the left, above 1487, you can see the next 30-minute candle going bullish.
Just hoping it pushes like instantly and not pull back.
Up over here.
I'm gonna get stopped out otherwise.
Like this.
That'd be nice.
Oh!
Oh yes. There you go. Let's get some.
Let's.
Man, that's good.
That was a little warm-up move.
That's good. I closed half. I'm happy with that.
Oh, that candle closed with no wick on the top, but it's also
It's
closed,
going. It's going.
Closed above all the candles to the left.
Go. Just go now. Be mint.
GJ's falling here as well.
Oh.
God damn it! There's a sell on GG, man.
Yeah.
But I'm not taking it. I'm just gonna let it.
Yeah, GJ is not a buy. Like you need candles to hold the support and then close above 129,900 to have decent buys going.
Wow, look at gold.
Coming. It's coming.
Gold's gonna push over here now.
50.
Oh wow!
Perfect. Come on now. Let's go.
Going.
There went my TP2.
I played that off the 15-minute, just the way it reacted on the. You like it rejection.
And we get 14th. No, it's gonna be 1500.
I thought you would go, man. That's why I was like, "Why are you closing, dude?"
Whoa.
God damn it.
Whoa.
Wow.
What a month.
How are we so good in predicting moves, man?
Don't know, man. Maybe it's experience.
Wow, 70 pips.
I got in at 87.39.
I got in at 1489.
What?
And my stop loss is protecting 85 pip.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wow.
Highlights, baby.
These are the highlights here.
Another one.
We're going to 1500s over here.
I might just close it.
How did I close?
This is go. Yeah, 1500.
Going to 1500.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 1500 for sure.
Wow.
Yeah, 1504 if you're there.
Oh, there we go, 1500.
Oh, shit, motherfucker!
Wow.
Can you get that?
Well, I'm gonna close.
Wow, look at that super
Oh,
target
that
reached.
was the easiest.
I'm out.
That was
That's
the
my
easiest
that's my
200 bucks.
TP3. I'm out.
The easiest 200 bucks I've ever made in my life.
And you're gonna lose it later on by overtrading.
Hey, bro, wait, I swear to God, bro.
You will lose it. Don't swear to God.
Just for the gram. Let me get
Wow,
it.
this is a $10 move here.
Just for the gram. Come on.
Oh.
Bro, we called it from the bottom.
I'm
Okay,
claiming the
GJ's jealous. Here she goes.
Madre de Dios.
definitely claiming best entry.
Harvard Raja. But do you remember the 1 hour candle I told you about?
Yeah.
It's a blast, brother.
It's a blast.
Super target, buddy.
We reached
Great
super
work.
target.
Yep, that's awesome, man.
Yeah,
So,
but I'm just gonna lose it all.
well, should you have a competition who got best entry? Go on then.
Roger, did you look at GJ?
Yep.
He's jealous.
It's still in a range.
Throw in there.
Man, this was a good move called like right from here. This price start to range, and then another one, boom, at Equities open.
Yeah, and that was the other trade we talked about. One, we break that consolidation to the left hand side near to the 1490s.
Yeah.
To the 1500s.
This is excellent.
So I took an entry there based on that flipping and rejecting that bottom zone. And then just aiming for the wick to the left, that was it.
So basically we broke down a 300 pip move.
Yes.
Wow.
We're too good at this, man. Trust me.
And it didn't even catch nothing.
Hey, and look where we said to get out as well. That's
Yeah.
the most important thing. You've got to know your targets, right?
You should know your targets. That's true.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, I'm just gonna.
Yeah, that was 300 pips.
Yeah. Well, if you guys on YouTube, if you made some money from this, just give a like on the stream and have a nice day.
If you guys think I'll be over trading, give it a like.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah,
100%.
Extra likes. Extra likes.
Yeah.
Oh my God, 229. If you think Mac is gonna overtrade, the $700 made today.
Look at that retracement on gold, man. 80, 90 pip retracement.
Yeah, it's just not playing. You check out a one.
You guys are killing me. 260 likes.
That's why it's important taking profits, man. That shadow mark that.
We are the best. We are the best Forex team.
No,
ever.
bro, that candle was 104 pips.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah, Joseph. Thank you.
Yeah, I got out at 99.78.
That's how we move on gold now.
If you guys think Mac is gonna overtrade and lose it all,
man, it's getting pretty annoying, man.
Yeah, right. That was a beautiful movement. Well planned, well played.
This was just amazing.
Guys,
For all the people watching on YouTube, man, please give a like on this stream. I don't know if people realize how blessed they are, because this is free knowledge.
Yeah,
Every move is breaking down and with targets, stop losses. This community.
I was entering 1481 in gold.
You got in at 1481? That's good.
1481.
Nice.
Because I use the FIBO sometimes, that's why. And the FIBO, it was like, when they reached the top, it was 127. So first target is reached. According to 150, yeah.
Will it retrace 1500 for another buy? Oh man, all right, now the stupid questions are going to start coming in. So I'm going to head off here. I'm going to go buy some dumbbells, start working out.
Yeah, man.
All right, man. Take care, Raja. Take care, everybody.
Well done,
care,
boys.
everybody.
Have fun.
See you later, man.
Pray, God bless you all. Be safe out there.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Take care, all.
Yeah.
Rack it up.
Rack it up, man. Rack it up.
Rack it up. Tomahawks for everybody.
I'm coming. Wow, 100 pip retracement here on gold.
Yeah, man.
Everybody get a tomahawk and Rakeel muted me again.
Man, who is letting gold move $10 every 5 minutes?
Man, but
That's
I mean,
just-
right, we talk about this. One, we break this area, man. The move was coming, you know. Well planned because we were looking for buys around this area, and then we had this clean move to the left hand side. So I mean, the targets were there, everything was there. We even talk about this 1 hour chart coming for this target because my resistance was right here 1503.70, something like that.
Well, this whole area around here, it's
so after you took this trade and you were like 100 and something pips in profit, what's the point holding this trade? Just close and enjoy your day, because this move, you're not going to have these moves every day, basically.
The thing about
on the tables right here, breaking down these trades, calling these trades, man.
The thing about gold, the scary part was this area here, which actually was, you know, it was actually corrected by these 3 candles. These are 50-minute candles only. So, you know.
And you know, chances are we're gonna continue moving up towards the 1500s again, but it's gonna take some time, maybe.
Oh yeah.
So you already have the easy trade of the morning. So man, just call it a day. Enjoy your day. Study. If you're at home, take time to go back testing.
Okay, Dr. Phil, we get it. Bye, Rakeel. Go buy some dumbbells.
Bye bye.
All right, take care, guys.
All right, man.
Those arms are looking skinny.